Over time, your Windows 11 Task Manager can get cluttered or stuck in a strange view or size. This step-by-step guide shows you the fastest, easiest, and most complete method to fully reset Task Manager to default and restore the original look and column views. Let's get started. Right click on Taskbar and click on Task Manager. In lower left corner, you will find a gear icon called Settings. Click on Settings and now scroll down. Here you will find Reset Settings and you will find a button Reset All Settings to Default. Now click on Reset All Settings to Default and a pop-up menu will be opened. This action resets all settings to default. Do you want to continue? Click on Reset and now reset is finished. Close Task Manager and open Task Manager again, and here you will find your Task Manager with all default settings.